Welcome to my Comwave Internet review. Links to their plans and services are below. In this video, I'll cover Comwave's key features, who it's for, and my personal experience. This will help you decide if Comwave is right for you. Comwave is a Canadian telecom provider offering internet, TV, and phone services. Their internet plans cater to both homes and businesses, focusing on affordability and simplicity. Plans range from 30 megabits per second for light users to 1 gigabit per second for heavy internet users, like households with many devices or businesses needing robust connectivity. Comwave offers a unique price guarantee, locking in your rate for up to 3 years. This provides long-term savings without sudden price hikes. All plans include unlimited data, perfect for streaming, gaming, or working online. Comwave also offers bundled internet, TV, and phone services. Their VoIP phone service is popular for its low-cost international calling. In my experience, Comwave delivered reliable advertised speeds. Installation times varied based on location. Customer service was responsive, but wait times could be long during peak hours. Comwave is ideal for budget-conscious users wanting simple plans with unlimited data. Check availability in your area, as service quality can vary. Comwave is a solid choice for those prioritizing affordability, unlimited data, and simple bundles. It's great for families and small businesses needing reliable, competitive internet. Check the links below for more information. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching.